This is my Ipsy 2018 unbagging. First, we have the Fresh Garden pomegranate firming mask. Okay, I think all natural is perfect. Lately I've been using a lot of masks. I think this will be great for me. And that's in pomegranate. And now we have, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I believe it's acai berry calming mask. Supposed to relieve stress. That's good. Okay. I really love this holographic bag. I'm going to point that out first. So yeah, that's it. Okay. This is the vegan, cruelty-free Sage Cosmetics. Never heard of them before. Nail polish. Okay. I'm just going to try this on really quickly and I'll show you guys. There is orange. It looks great. The scent is just really strong. It's a really nice, I don't want to say it's, I don't want to say it's neon, but it is a quite bright orange. But yeah, I really like it. Okay, next we have, this is, this. I really can't even tell. This is Smashbox concealer. Okay, I don't know if it's the right shade for me, but it's concealer. Just see how this looks actually. Let's just try mixing it in before we judge anything. Although it smells very nice though, I'll give them that. Yeah, you can even see the difference. Blending in perfectly actually. Yeah, I like it. Okay, and that is in the shade Dark. Okay, self-explanatory. Second, I get this perfect. There we go. Yep. Okay, next item. So I'm a very impatient person, so I had to apply another coat because it kind of rubbed off. But let's move on. This is a NYX or NYX lip cream. Now, personally, I love these more than lip glosses or lipsticks, just an in-between. And this is in the shade, let's see, in the shade Sao Paulo. Make sure you can see it. Sao Paulo. Let's see what it looks like actually. Just need to get the paper off. Okay. I'll get back to you once I get the paper off of it. Since I do have lip gloss on, I can't show you, but I can show you this. For some strange reason, it's coming off more brighter. It's really a dark pink. Not really purple, but a really nice hot pink. But yeah, I really like it. And it smells great too. It smells really nice. I decided to take it off because it wasn't setting, but I will recommend you the one I did get from Ipsy was New York Odyssey. It's great. So yeah, but let's just continue on. I think this is the last item actually. Okay, but yeah. Here we go. Here it is. And the theme of this month. I don't see a theme. Oh well, it's a really nice poster. But yes, the last one. This is Juliet Has a Gun perfume. Now I have heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try this out. I personally love seeing perfumes in boxes. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. So I'm really excited. This is a very big size in case you can't see this. Yeah, I'm going to compare it a bit. It's a very big size for perfume samples than what they usually do. If anything, it's probably not even a sample size, but this is very good. Yeah. I'm a little confused because there's not a perfume on it, but let's assume it is. And let's try it out. It's strong. It's very strong, more like a cologne mixed in with florals. I don't know how to say it, but it's very strong of a scent. Although I do like it, so there's no problem with it. But yeah, so I like this one. Juliet Has a Gun. In the shade Not a Perfume, that's what it's called, Not a Perfume. I like the dark shade concealer, and I'm gonna go with this as well. Yes, I really liked Sao Paulo NYX. I really liked it. It's a great shade. Although the nail polish just didn't work for me. It's just not staying on, but it's a very pretty shade. Now, the pomegranate and acai berry, I haven't tried them yet. Although they are face masks, I'm sure they'll work in some way. But yeah, you can't go wrong with a face mask or two. So thank you. I enjoyed the Ipsy $9.99 a month or $10. But yeah, I really like the holographic bag. It's so cute. So thank you for watching this review. I really enjoyed the Ipsy 2018 July unboxing or unbagging. Thank you. And goodbye.